What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Lotus Emeya in Akoya white. Now let's take a walk around to show you the exterior first before we head down to the details of this beautiful piece of art. Now just check those wheels out in black. Check out the back of this car without the lights turned on. Stunning. Now the sides look absolutely beautiful with the black top and the white body. Looks really awesome. So let's start off with the front, guys. Now these are your LED lights that are located right there. You also get your daytime running lights somewhere around here, but underneath is where your main headlights are located at. Could you see that? Imagine without it turned on, it already looks super sporty, guys. This is my favorite color, Akoya white. The brighter the color, the bigger the car. Now, beautiful piece of art. Now the bottom pieces right here are in gloss black. So this whole piece, some options you can go for are in carbon fiber, but in this case, as you can see, it's in gloss black, which is also a nice touch. There's a lot of black happening here, there's a lot of white happening here. Awesome. My favorite again will be the black badging. Now, to know that you can go for an option, which is to go with this black badge, especially on a white car, beautiful. Imagine the lights are already dark color. Then you got these in black. Your lights in here also are dark. Your badging also is dark. Check out the contra, man. Looks really nice. I love the cuts that are on the front bonnet that you see here, even here, and also here. Check out the sides. The angles that this car shows everywhere you stand. Beautiful. Now, the top part here is also in gloss black. Amazing, right? You have an option to go for this in carbon fiber also, but in this case, I believe everything about this car is beautiful because there are a lot of these mix and matching things happening here right now. So black on top, we also got the black pillar that we have right here that goes all the way on top, all the way to the back. Your roof is also in gloss black as well. Amazing. So side mirrors in black. Check it out. Now let's get to the wheels first thing. These wheels are a 21-inch wheels. The tire size is 265/40 R21. Now check out the wheels, guys. In black, exposes the red caliper 6-spot together with the drill disc brakes. Makes it look very sporty and nice. Check it out from the sides. Beautiful. Beautiful indeed. Now let's head down to the rear wheel since we're already talking about the tires. These are also Pirelli car tires and 21-inch for the rear. But check out the size. It's 305/35/21. Amazing. Closer. 305/35/21-inch. Red calipers over there, Pirelli tires, drill disc brakes for the back as well. So it looks really nice, guys. So check out the side right here. You got your LiDAR happening around here. So if Malaysia is equipped with that technology to run the car by itself for it to drive, then yes, you will be able to use that hardware only if you have added that option as a spec up in the future. But for now, all cars that are available with the LiDAR, it only has an additional sensor feature, but it cannot really allow you to drive the fully autonomous way in Malaysia just yet. So cameras located right there, right here, and also here. So we got 3 cameras on one side, a beautiful black side mirror that we have right here. Turn indicators are located right there. You got this black finish right here, also an option to make it carbon fiber. Door handles that we have. When you lock the car, it goes in. Open the car door, it goes out. So let's check out the side doors. We got your CAF audio sound system, 15 speakers on the inside because this is a 5-seater, as you can see. Okay. So carbon fiber finishing at the door side for opening up the doors, winding down the windows, CAF audio sound system at the bottom right here, opening up the doors manually instead of using the electronic button, compartment storage for you to keep some stuff. Everything about this car, the finishing, superb. The quality is absolutely awesome, guys. Suede finish here, leather here, grey stitching all over the place. Amazing. So ACBC logo that we have right here. We also get something happening at the back of the door here. So let me open up and show it to you. 1948. Lovely. So let's check out the seats. These are the standard 5-seater seats, as you can see. Seat belts are also in grey. Beautiful, man. I love the finishing texture that we have on the seats right here. Amazing, right? So let's take a seat on the inside. Check this out. I have plenty of leg room, but obviously this is not how I'm sitting. Normally I go closer, closer, closer. Yep, so this would be my actual sitting position that we have right here. So center screen facing the everybody right in the center. Check it out. It's not angling anywhere. This is me sitting down comfortably right here. You got your grey seat belts right there, and yep, looks beautiful. Feels very comfortable. The roof is not with the glass roof, so suede top finish, amazing layout. You got your frameless mirrors happening right here. You got this vanity, your mirror. Amazing. So check out the dashboard. CAF speakers right there. I love how the LED goes from left to right and all the way down there. Amazing, amazing. Wireless charging place right here. We will get to all of this shortly. But in the meantime, let's open up the glove compartment. Check that out. Opens up. So place to store some stuff right there. The doors are right there as well. So let's try and close it to see whether how soft closed doors are available also. Amazing. Check it out from this side. It's beautiful. So let's open up the doors. Push it. And there we go. So Emeya plate wording down here. Let's get down. Carpets, plush and nice, super nice. Storage compartment down here, beautiful. Carbon fiber finishing over here, amazing. Now let's move to the rear. Now the bottom piece of this car, if you notice, is also in a gloss black that leads it all the way to the back here. Matches your door as well down here, see? This is the door piece, right? So it's fully in black, beautiful. So now we are sitting in a 5-seater, standard 5-seater seats. So before that, let's check out the doors. CAF audio sound system. This car has 15 speakers. Carbon fiber finishing right here as well. Window to wind that window down also. Opening up the doors, electronic. Manual door openings are here. CAF audio sound system is here. Compartment storage is also here. Emeya wording that we have at the side and also the front. So amazing, right? All over there is. So this is me sitting comfortably in a 5-seater. Beautiful. The amount of space this car has. Check this out. Check it out, guys. Check out the room. Damn, there's a lot of space, man. Check out the front. Check out the back. Check this out from here. Super spacious. This car is huge. Amazing, way. So doors are right there. I can close them if I want to. Let's go ahead and do that. You got your air vents coming out through here. You got some finishing texture of this kind of like a fabric finish. You got some leather mixture down here and also here. I love how this ACBC badging is on this headrest that we have for the back part. Some texture finishes on the headrest create that nice luxurious design. Screen to control your aircon together with your other adjustments such as your your sound for your music. And yeah, you can adjust even the front passenger if you want to move it forward, you know. So air vents coming out through here, center here, you can move left and right, super comfortable. But let's check the centerpiece out. Yep, push onto this, cup holder pops out, push it back in, let's push it back up, and let's move to the center that we have right here. So before that, let's open up the doors. Cool. So this is me sitting right in the center right now, and you got some ACBC badging on the seats, as you can see. Love how this texture that's happening right here, even right inside there as well. Grey seat belts as mentioned earlier. So this is me sitting right in the center, comfortable, headroom is good, and I feel amazing checking out this whole front here. So let's move on to this side that we have right here. This is the right rear passenger. This is me sitting right here right now, and comfortable, beautiful. Door is not opened up yet. This is me right behind the driver seat. Check out the front, amazing. Suede finish at the top, beautiful. I have my handles here in case I need to hold it, in case the car is going too fast or in case I need more stability. lightings here. I can tap onto it to turn it off. I can tap onto it to turn it on. Same thing over there. Let's open up. Before that, check out the legroom. This is me not even sitting at the front just yet. So open up. Let's open the door right up, and cool, man. Check this out. Emeya wording right there on the plates. Let's not touch that. But yes, you can even move the seat up. You can even push it back. So the seat is actually moving back right now. So cool. I love how much of space this car has. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely huge. Now let's check out the rear. Now this exact unit comes in a gloss black lettering for the Lotus wording. Not sure if you're able to tell, but can you see that there's a Lotus wording right there, and it's all in black. Now there are some cars that have it in chrome, but in this version, this unit is a white exterior with a lot of black that's happening, including the wheels. Now your LiDAR sensor is right here, but we will open up this rear wing shortly to show you guys that this thing can actually come up and come down. But in the meantime, let's check out the boot. So this is a huge boot space. You've got some number plate holders right there. This shade, you can actually take it off to put it down. The reason why the shade is there is so that no one can see from the glass what's happening here, in case you're worried somebody might break into and check it out, you know. So charging place right there, storage compartment down here. You got this to open up. Check this out. You got your tire repair kit and your warning triangle right there. So beautiful. The seats, you're able to fold it down as well. We can do that for you shortly. But yeah, just check out the rear. Opening up of the wheels, you got some air to flow through. Let's fold down the rear seat, one of it, just to show you guys how much space there is. So this is where you put your hand. Pull it back down. Check out the space that we have right here. Amazing, right? That's without the seats folded down just yet, but you know, this is how much space you can actually store. So why not we fold down the other seat to show you guys. Same thing right there, right? So you pull it and check out the seats, the space that this car has. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely spacious. So amazing, amazing space, guys. Gloss black rear diffuser. Looks really, really beautiful, aggressive looking. At the same time, it's awesome because some reflectors happening over there. Reverse lights will be right there. But yeah, man, check it out. Check this out. Now, let's move on to the driver's seat that we have right here. So this would be the main controls for the all those windows, including your child lock safety, folding your mirrors, adjusting your mirrors. But look at the carbon fiber texture all over this side door. Opening up of the boot and also your opening up of the doors. You also get your CAF audio sound system happening right here. Beautiful sport pedals. I love it. Love all this chrome stuff happening around the pedals. Nice and soft carpet that we have right there. ACBC logo. Seats look amazing for the driver. So let's take a seat on the inside. Check it out. This is me sitting comfortably. I believe this would be the perfect position for me to drive. As you can see, my hand is just cool. Yep. Check out the steering wheel. Regen braking on your left side, driving mode on your right side. This is your trip for you to check your mileage, but your wiper settings are here together with the sprinkler, and also you have your light adjustments happening right here. So we will turn on the lights just to show you guys how it looks like on the outside. But before that, let's check out the main screen. Wireless charging for you to keep your key card in case you need to be moving your car around. You need to put your key card here, or you can go without it. All of these settings are here. Aircon adjustments, fan is both of these. Press it to turn on, press it to turn off, same thing. P, drive, reverse, hazard light. We will turn on shortly later. Cup holders, go all the way in, push it, go all the way out. Press this to open up. 2 Type-C chargings down here. Compartment storage right there as well. Amazing car. I love all the carbon fiber finishing as well over here. Looks absolutely classy. Even on the top, these are also carbon fiber. I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture this, but it's in carbon fiber. So very well thought out. Amazing ambient lightings that we have going on all over the place. Now, let's just close the rear boot first. So the boot is closing. Check it out. Okay. Now, let's open up the rear wing. the wing is opening up. Check that out. Ooh, damn. So let's get down. Oh, before that, this is me sitting comfortably right here in the driver's seat. So beautiful layout. You got to be here to feel this, to experience this yourself. But check out the rear wing. Now there are some cars that you get the top spec perhaps will have the carbon fiber lip spoiler that we have right here. But in this case, you don't really need that because it looks very, very sleek and nice already. Check out the brake lights from left to right. Looks like a real jet. It's like a, I don't know, man. It's gonna fly somewhere. So you got a double, how to say, wing that we have on the inner part of this huge wing. Check that out. It's beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. LiDAR for your driving. And check out the front. As I mentioned earlier, your daytime running lights are located on the top, right there, right? So you got left and right. Now the turn indicators are somewhere around there as well, on the top side. And check out the main lights that are at the bottom here. Beautiful, man, damn. So these open up for you to cool down the battery while you are stationary, but you're driving faster, these will close up. Now there are openings over there and there for air to flow, including over there as you can see, right? So cool, amazing way. Now let's check out the hazard lights. Just turn on to give you guys a picture of what you'll be looking at. So turn indicators at the mirror. You got them at the bottom right here. Check that out, beautiful, right? Amazing. So turn indicators are right here. You got your LED daytime running lights on the top. Main lights are at the bottom, as you can see. Now let's check out the rear of the car. Charging port we'll get to shortly. But yes, amazing, right? How it waves from right to left, left to right. Beautiful. Now let's turn on the, turn off the hazard light. Turn that off. We will open this hood up to show you guys shortly how it looks, but in the meantime, let's open that first. But check out the charging cap that we have right here. So press that on the side so you're able to see AC and DC. So to close that, you got to press this. 350 kilowatt for DC. You got your AC up to 22 kilowatt. So it's a beautiful, beautiful, fast car in terms of charging, in terms of driving. Everything about this car is amazing. So let's open that up. Pull the hood lever twice. You got your charger for the cable right here located. Super clean design, guys. Check it out. Not much dirt is going to be collecting anywhere because it's all covered and very well maintained. You got your Pioneer since 1948. Lotus has been founded then. Emeya wording on the front hood. Spectacular. You got your windshield, refill for the water. And yep, amazing. Amazing car, guys. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lotus cars, do head down to Glenmarie, as they have plenty of cars here for you to see and feel for yourself. You can arrange for a test drive with any of the representatives here. And yeah, it's a beautiful car, beautiful brand. A lot of F1 heritage happening with this brand. And yeah, amazing, guys. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.